Let's go to our patch. Okay, ito na nga siya. Okay, so guys, ano nga ba ang patch? Okay, actually same lang siya ng cross prediction kasi this is a prediction market platform where you can predict the outcome of different events. So for example, merong sports, merong crypto, merong esports at marami pang categories. If tama ang prediction mo, may opportunity kang magkaroon ng better results depending on the market. So the question is, what's new on the patch? Okay, bakit nag-change na yun mo? Anong mga changes? Guys, no, this is what's interesting right now. Isa sa pinakamalaking bagong feature nila is something called Free to Predict or F2P. And personally, ito ang tingin ko magandang entry point para sa gustong subukan ang prediction market. So guys, no, again, dati, kung napansin nyo, events, portfolio lang yan. Okay, ngayon meron pang referral eh. Ayan, no? And then, meron silang bago dito, itong F2P. So, ano nga ba yung F2P? Again, instead of requiring you to deposit first, Punch gives you free points to start. Okay? So you can use those free points to participate in prediction markets. And if you perform well during the season, you have the chance to earn real rewards. Okay? So ngayon guys, everyday nakakuha ako ng points. Okay? And then, yung points na yan, yung nakuha mong points ay pwede kang mag-predict at sumali dito. And then, pwede kang manalo ng pwede ka manalo talaga ng reward. So, and paano nga ba makakuha ng free points? So, punta tayo dito sa pinaka-ano nila, no, sa pinaka-docs nila. So, makakuha ka ng free points una dito sa welcome points. Once the first time you open up the season, then daily check-in, tapos meron siyang weekly mission, trade a set number of different events with the week, then getting started, first prediction, first event market trades, and then referral. When a friend you invited becomes active in the USD market. Okay, so ganun na kasimple. Yun yung things para maka-earn ka ng points. Guys, no, take note natin, you need to claim your points manually. And kapag na-miss mo nili check-in, your streak resets. So dapat, ito siya, ito yung sinasabi ko na you always, ito kaka-claim ko lang. So next check-in is on 6 minutes. Okay, so ganyan makakakuha ng points dito. And then yung referral, ayan, gagawa ka ng sarili mong code. Okay, pwede na ito. Okay, pwede. Okay, yan. So, nakakreate tayo ng natin created ng code dito. So, pangalan yan is Kuya Kev. So, pwede natin i-share to sa ating Twitter. Ayan. Ganun siya kadali on the referral program ng Patch. Okay, ngayon, gagawin natin is start predicting na tayo. So, bagal tayo, mag-participate tayo kahit sa Bitcoin up and down. Okay. Meron tayong 20, gamitin natin yung 20 natin. Buy up. Okay. Buy tayo. Yaon. Okay, so ganun lang kasimple. Almost same lang din to ng cross prediction guys, no? But again, binago lang nila yung name. And guys, no, same to ng cross prediction, except you're using P points. Okay, so how to win naman to? So now here's the part na maraming tatanong. Hindi sapat na puro profit lang syempre. Punch uses a rating system and your rating depends on 4 things. Okay, so ito 'yon. Ayan, may rating ang Punch. Okay? So una is yung profit. Okay? Then pangalawa is yung trading volume, and then diversity, and then syempre yung consistency. So if isang category lang ang nilaro mo or paminsan-minsan ka nag-active, mahihirapan kang umakyat sa leaderboard. So dapat active na ikaw ay nag-predict. Okay? And syempre